best car polish in 2025, top 5 car polishes review. If you're looking for the best car polish in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 car polishes that deliver professional results, protect your paint, and bring out that showroom shine. We've considered performance, durability, ease of use, and customer feedback so you can pick the right polish for your car. All products links are listed in the description below. Let's get started with the list. Number 1, Magyar's Mirror Glaze Ultra Finishing Polish. Magyar's Mirror Glaze is a professional grade finishing polish that's trusted by detailers worldwide. Its advanced micro-abrasive formula removes swirls and light defects while leaving behind a deep, high-gloss finish. Whether you're using a rotary DA polisher or applying by hand, it's easy to use and wipe off, making cleanup simple. It's perfect as a follow-up to more aggressive compounds and prepares the surface beautifully before sealing or waxing. If you want flawless, swirl-free reflections, Mirror Glaze is a top choice. Number 2, 3D One Car Scratch and Finishing Polish. The 3D One Polish is an all-in-one solution that combines cutting compound power with finishing polish smoothness. It can remove swirls, oxidation, and scratches in a single step, saving you time. What sets it apart is its zero dust formula, giving a clean finish with no mess. You can use it by hand for spot corrections or with a DA polisher for full panels. With over 25 years of detailing expertise behind it, 3D One is pro-quality polish that simplifies the detailing process without sacrificing results. Number 3, Magyar's Ultimate Polish. If you're preparing your car before waxing, Magyar's Ultimate Polish is a go-to choice. This pre-waxing glaze adds depth of color and extreme gloss, especially on darker cars. Its conditioning oils enhance reflections while gently removing fine swirls and towel marks. Plus, it's safe on clear coats and all glossy paints. Whether applied by hand or machine, it ensures your paint is ready for maximum protection and shine when you apply your wax. Number 4, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Polish. Turtle Wax brings modern technology with their hybrid solution ceramic polish. This is a 4-in-1 product that corrects, polishes, seals, and protects your paint in one easy step. The ceramic-infused formula not only boosts gloss, but also adds long-lasting hydrophobic protection, repelling water and contaminants. It's designed to leave a mirror-like shine that lasts for months while keeping your car cleaner for longer. Plus, it has a refreshing tropical fragrance, making polishing a little more enjoyable. Number 5, 3D Speed Car Scratch Remover Polish. Last but not least, the 3D Speed Polish is another all-in-one option for those who want quick results. It removes light scratches, swirls, and oxidation while leaving behind a protective wax layer. This polish revives paint color and gloss, delivering that wet, mirror-like finish detailers love. Its easy application and residue-free wipe-off make it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Made in the USA with over 25 years of detailing expertise, 3D Speed offers correction and protection in one bottle. And that wraps up our list of the best car polishes in 2025. Whether you want professional level correction with Magyar's Mirror Glaze, an all-in-one solution like 3D One, or ceramic protection from Turtle Wax, there's a polish here for every need and budget. All product links are listed in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.